Hey there, green thumbs and future herbalists. Ever thought about turning your garden into a living pharmacy? Imagine stepping outside to pick fresh, natural remedies right from your own backyard. Today, I'm going to show you 15 incredible medicinal plants you can grow at home. Not only will they add beauty to your garden, but they'll also offer amazing health benefits. Let's dive into the world of nature's medicine cabinet. Ready to unlock the secrets of your garden? Let's get started with the first powerhouse plant. 1. Aloe Vera. First up, Aloe Vera. This succulent isn't just for decor. Its gel is a go-to for soothing burns, cuts, and even sunburns. Growing aloe vera is a breeze. Just give it plenty of sunlight and water it sparingly. 2. Lavender. Next, we have lavender. These fragrant purple flowers can do more than look pretty. Lavender is known for its calming effects, perfect for making tea or essential oils to help you relax. Plant it in a sunny spot and it will thrive. 3. Peppermint. Feeling a bit stressed or having a tummy ache? Peppermint to the rescue. Its refreshing scent and taste are great for relieving headaches and digestive issues. Peppermint loves partial shade and moist soil. 4. Chamomile. Chamomile isn't just for your bedtime tea. These daisy-like flowers can help with insomnia and digestive problems. They grow best in full sun and well-drained soil. 5. Echinacea. Boost your immune system with Echinacea, known for its striking cone-shaped flowers. This plant is a natural remedy for colds and infections. It prefers full sun and can handle a bit of neglect. 6. Rosemary. Rosemary isn't just for cooking. This woody herb is great for improving memory and concentration. Plus, it's easy to grow, just plant it in a sunny spot and let it flourish. 7. Calendula. Calendula, or pot marigold, is a skin healer. Its petals can be used in oils and balms to treat cuts and rashes. These bright blooms love the sun and are perfect for adding a splash of color to your garden. 8. Ginger. Spice up your garden with ginger. This root is fantastic for nausea and inflammation. Plant it in a warm, sheltered spot, and you'll have a constant supply of fresh ginger for your teas and recipes. 9. Basil. Basil isn't just for pesto. This fragrant herb can help with anxiety and is packed with antioxidants. It thrives in warm weather and full sun, making it a garden favorite. 10. Sage. Sage is not only a culinary herb, but also a medicinal powerhouse. It's great for throat and digestive issues. Plant sage in well-drained soil, and it will reward you with its aromatic leaves. 11. Thyme. Small but mighty. Thyme has antiviral properties and can help with respiratory problems. This low-growing herb prefers full sun and dry conditions. 12. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is your garden's calming charm. Its citrusy leaves are perfect for easing anxiety and improving sleep. Plant it in partial shade and it will spread happily. 13. Dandelion. Underestimate dandelions. They're great for detoxifying the liver and are packed with vitamins. These resilient plants can grow almost anywhere, making them a perfect addition to your garden. 14. St. John's wort. St. John's wort is famous for its mood-boosting properties. These yellow flowers love full sun and are a must-have for any herbal garden. 15. Yarrow. Last but not least, yarrow. This hardy plant is great for stopping bleeding and treating wounds. It thrives in full sun and dry soil, making it a tough and beautiful garden addition. And there you have it, 15 amazing medicinal plants to transform your garden into a health haven. Growing these plants not only enhances your garden's beauty, but also gives you access to natural remedies right at your fingertips. Which one will you plant first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next garden adventure.